Hey guys, it's Audrey and welcome to today's video. So today I'm just gonna do my makeup routine for you guys. And yeah, okay, my skin is not the best right now, so I'm so sorry and bear with me. And for disclaimer, I'm sorry if I always looking up because I use my viewfinder as a mirror. Okay, as you can see. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with moisturizer. This is from Chanel Hydra Beauty Nutrition, and I've been using this lately as a primer. I don't think it's like a primer, it's just a moisturizer, you know, but it works pretty well on my skin. So okay, I'm gonna start filling my eyebrows first. Okay, I'm gonna be using this eyebrow pomade. This is from Benefit Brow in the shade 4.5. Okay, eyebrows done, and then for foundation, I'm gonna be using this Dior Backstage foundation. I'm in the shade 1.5M. Yes. Then I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Okay, next for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 27. Let's start blend it with my finger. Next, I'm gonna bronze up my face with this Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Okay, I really like this bronzer, you know. Bronzer is done, and then for blush, I'm gonna be using this NARS Orgasm liquid blush. I know it sounds weird, but that's okay. I still like it. And I'm gonna swirl it first and apply it all over my cheek. And then to set this, I'm gonna be use this Chanel loose powder in the shade 30 Natural. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. I'm gonna go in with black eyeliner. Where's my eyeliner? Okay. This is from Maybelline Hyper Impact Eyeliner. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. This is the mascara that I use. This is from L'Oreal Les Paradise. Okay, here's the thing. The other day, I broke my highlighter. Because I break everything and it's a problem that I live with every day. So, yeah, as you can see, okay, I'm just gonna use this Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop because I like it. Ooh. Ooh, so pretty. Brighter than your future. Okay, and for the lips, I'm gonna be using this NARS in the shade American Woman. And yeah. Maybe I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lip gloss. This is the lip gloss that I use. This is from Emina. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna be taking my Mario Badescu facial spray. I use it as a setting spray for my makeup.